Hey guys, welcome back to Knotty Threads. In case you are here on my channel for the first time, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. So stay tuned till the end because in this video I will be demonstrating how to work this kind of a very trendy looking design where I have used ring beads. So one of the ring beads is wrapped using silk thread and the other one is not wrapped. So it's a very interesting design and it looks really grand, especially on bridal kind of sarees. So watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section what you think about this design. Now let's get started. So we'll be wrapping this ring in the first step like this. So for that I'm using 10 to 12 strands of silk thread here. I'm attaching it with the glue and then we will wrap it all around. I'm going to leave a little space where the hole is so that it is easier for us to work with the bead. I've finished wrapping all around this ring and I'm going to glue it here. So apply very little glue and we'll fix this thread and then trim off the excess. So I'm done working the complete saree and I have just left one part to share it with you guys. So I have wrapped the ring here which I showed in the earlier part. So now I have 8 strands of silk thread in my needle like this. It's a thin needle and I have taken 8 strands. One end I have kept it long and the other end is short. So in this needle I'm going to add the wrapped ring bead first like this. And then I'm going to add another ring bead. In between I am adding this rose bead and get the needle out of the other hole like this. So once we have all this in the needle, so you can place these at any distance you want. So I am leaving little more than 1 finger or like 1 finger gap from this ring. So I'm going to go into the fabric here. Make sure you get the tail out and then I'm going to pass the needle back in all the beads. So once it is in here, we'll knot it. So we'll have to knot it like we knot our regular kuchu design. You can use the needle to place the knot. Make sure this knot is tight and then we will add a tassel here in this thread. So when I'm adding the tassel, I'm actually splitting this thread and then I will add the tassel. So after adding the knot here, the final step is to add the tassel. For the tassel, I am using 120 strands. I've glued it using fabric glue. I've made it sharp so that it is easier to pass through this thread and I have ironed it. So after ironing the tassels, the finishing looks really neat. So with this I'm going to split this thread into half and tie the tassel. So the distance and the length is totally up to you. You can tie it at any distance you want, and even the length is totally on you. But here I have done it in an alternate way. For the green ring I have used maroon tassel, and for the maroon ring I have used green tassel. So if your saree is colorful, you can follow something like this, or you can make all the rings in one color and keep the tassels in the other color. So as usual, I am doing 3 knots, and I am going to pass this and trim the tassel. So this is the final look. Since the pallu is maroon in color, I have selected this green color for the first step. So depending on your colors in the saree, you can choose. Even the tassel length, if you are fond of longer tassels, then you can leave longer length. But for this particular design, I would recommend a very tiny tassel, because of adding 2 ring beads, the length is already long. In case if the tassel is also long, then it might not look that good. So you can give it a try. In case that doesn't look good, then you can probably just trim it off. So this is how the design has turned out. It's very easy. You don't need to know any crochet skills for this particular design. So do give it a try, and let me know in the comment section how you like it. So in case if you guys have not subscribed to my vlog channel yet, do subscribe to Kanika Reddy Vlogs. Also follow my page Knotty Threadz on Facebook. Check out my blog knottythreadz.net, and all this material is available on knottythreadz.com, so you can place your orders. That's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care.